Hello friends, welcome to another edition of the calculator class. So in today's video, I'll be taking us on how to solve the second derivative. So you can check down in my previous videos where we also taught how to solve the first derivative using the calculator, using scientific calculator. You can watch it, you see it over there. Yes, so now today I'm going to be doing the second derivative. So we have two questions here for us to do in this example. And now things you should note is that in solving second derivative can be represented in two forms, which is the x, the square y, or all over the s square, or y double prime. You get? Yes, so that is differentiation. So now in solving differentiation, first of all, we'll find, okay, let's go straight to this first question. Say compute the second derivative, which is the square y all over the x square of y equals to ln 3x square. So that's very simple. How we're going to do is that, first of all, the first thing you do is to clear your calculator. Shift 9 3 equals to and equals to again. So now the calculator is cleared. So the next thing we'll do is to save x as 2. And how do we do that? You can see you press your 2, shift, then store this RCL button here. Then you press this close bracket button, which is your x. You can see it, saving 2 as x. Then you press your equals to, then you press your AC. It's now saved. So yes, so now after saving x as 2, the next step to do is to bring out your differentiation, which is shift and this button here. The shift and this button here. So now after bringing out your integration, your differentiation, this thing, then you input the values into it by, so this is your in, see it lane, you put 3 alpha x square. Don't forget to close your bracket, and then always ensure that the numbers of bracket you have at the right hand side is equal to the number of bracket on the left hand side. If not, it's going to give you syntax error. So now we come down here, we put the 2 that we saved as x. Then we'll press our equal to sign. They give us our answer. Then, but this is not the final answer. This is just the first derivative of this ln 3x square. So now we have to save this first answer as a. Doing it, we have to do shift store a. Now answer saving as a. You say yes. You saved it. Then you input that same value again, the same question again, by saying ln 3 alpha x, ln 3 alpha x square. Then you close your bracket. We come here, we put 2. But now we are going to be adding to this 2 a value, which that value is 0.00001. So we are going to do it now. Plus 0.00001. Get it? Then we'll press our equal to, and then we save this answer as b. Then it will just press shift store b. You can see it here, b. Now answer saving as b. Okay, then we now press your equal to and then your AC. All clear. So the next step to take is to do what? We are not going to divide b. We are going to do b minus a divided by the constant. So let's do it now. So we'll now do alpha b minus alpha a, then divided by 0.00001. then equal to, you see it gave us minus 0.4994 approximately, which is all of them approximately to one decimal place. It's just minus 0.5. So now we are going to be evaluating these options here, and then the one that give us minus 0.5 will be the correct answer. So now we can try to save this value as C, or we can just write it down. But let me just save it as C. Shift, store, C here, C. That means you have saved this answer as C. Then press or equals to this. Then you are going to evaluate these options now. Now option A is minus x all over 2. So you just do it alpha x. Okay, this is minus alpha x all over 2 equals to, see, it gave us minus 1. So now if we divide it with C, which is the one we got, cover that, it's not giving us 1. So now, so anyone that we divided, that we get the answer the same with what we evaluated in the final stage that we took, which is b minus a all over the constant. Anyone that gives us the same answer is the right answer to the question. So let's evaluate option B. Okay, option B is 2 divided by alpha x. It gave us 1. And remember, you're looking for minus 0.5. So option C is 2 all over x square, which gave us 0.5, but we are looking for minus 0.5. So automatically we now know that once we add the minus sign here, which is option D, is going to give us minus 0.5. So option D is the correct answer in this case. Okay, now solving for the second question, which says find second derivative of y equals to 4x minus 3 all raised to power 5. So don't forget to clear your calculator. Shift 9 3 equals to and equal to again. Now we have to save x as 2 again. That means 2 shift to x equals to an AC, all clear. Then we input these values into shift this. Let's do that quick. 4 alpha x minus 3 close bracket raised power of 5. Then we'll come here, we input the x as 2. Press equals to. See, then we save it as A. Answer saved as A. Then input it again. This is 4, sorry, open bracket, 4 alpha x minus 3 close bracket raised power of 5. Then 2. We want to add our constant 0.12341 get equals to. Then we save this one as B. Answer saved as B. Then we simply do the next steps. Alpha B minus alpha A divided by 0.1234, then 1 is equals to, see it, 40,000. So the correct option is option D, 40,000. Another thing to note is that given an objective question like this, the option with the highest value is usually the correct answer. So you should take note of that. Thank you for being with me in this video to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so that other people can also learn this.